Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the Stranger Things photo edit in O2, the Stranger Things Season 5 that's just been released, I guess. I think it's Season 5. I don't watch it, but it is a super easy edit. It's free, it's quick, simple, and you only need TikTok to edit this, which I assume you guys already have. And yeah, let's get started with the video. Also, I want to mention it does work with every picture, but it is easier to apply it to like a landscape picture with like no subject in front of it, or else you'd have to like mask it. So you are going to press the plus button here, and you're going to add in this picture. You know what? I'll give you time to screenshot this one first. This is the overlay that we're going to place later on. And then I'm just going to select this picture, press next, and we are going to add in a filter. So press the like filter button, the one with like circles. I don't really know how to explain it. Then go to retro and select pumpkin and place it up to 100%. You can kind of adjust it, but I'm just going to go with 100%. Then you are going to edit it, which is this button over here. Okay, let me delete the okay. Did I crop it? Why does it look like this? Well, I feel like I did. Oh, anyways, go to overlay, which is here, and get that picture, and then press next. Then you're just going to adjust it to the picture of it, your choice, and obviously you're going to apply it till the end. Then you're going to scroll all the way to the right, go to opacity, and you're just going to adjust it to your liking. I don't want like the other like areas to show, so I'm just going to set it to around 26, 28 is good. I still can see it, but like it's not to the point where I can see some other parts. I guess this could work too. Just adjust it to your picture, honestly. Press the check mark button, press next. Oh, well, I guess, do I go back? Okay, to show you guys, this is what it looks like at the end. Super cool. Again, super simple. You can do it with any pictures. Here, I'll do another one real quick for you guys. Let's discard that. Let's use this picture. Take a picture of it. And then let's go to filters again. Retro, pumpkin. I don't know how this is gonna look because the sky is super bright, but let's see if this works. And then again, overlay, this one, adjust it. Oh my gosh, kind of made it slanted for some reasons. And then, whoa, go to opacity and adjust it again. I do prefer the other one because the sky's a little bit too bright on this one. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. I do prefer the other one. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Hold on. Let me do this one again because I really like it. Okay, cool. Share pictures. I don't know how like here, but oh wait, what happened? Okay, apparently the overlay got removed for some. Oh, never mind, it didn't. But yeah, that is it. Make sure your overlays till the end of your video too, by the way. Oh my gosh. Like this. Okay, there we go. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.